If you're watching this video, it found you for a reason. You're about to embark on a journey to unlock the secret to manifesting financial freedom. Money is your birthright. You deserve a life full of wealth and endless possibilities. Many struggle with their finances because their mindset holds them back. Today we're diving into how the law of attraction can transform your beliefs about money, opening doors to prosperity you've never imagined. Ready to change your life? Have you ever thought of having the power to draw in all the money you've ever wanted, like a super magnet pulling in coins and notes from all directions? What if I told you it's not just make-believe? This is all about tapping into something called the law of attraction to get that financial freedom you're dreaming of. Do you know how you vibe with some people more than others? It's the same, but with money. The law of attraction says if you're all about positivity and believe in abundance, then you're setting yourself up to attract wealth. First things first, you gotta believe money is not just for the lucky few. It's out there, waiting for you to grab it. Think of money as your friend, not something that's hard to get. Treat money like your friend so you don't ignore the opportunities and the mindset that could lead you to wealth. Start imagining your life filled with all the cash you need. Want that dream house? Visualize it. That car you've been eyeing? See yourself driving it. It's not just daydreaming, it's setting the stage for your riches to roll in. It's not just about wishing. You've got to act like you're already living that rich life. Not saying that you should start spending like a millionaire, keep it real, but start making choices that align with being wealthy. It's about feeling it in your bones that you're meant for more. Now, you might have heard things like money doesn't grow on trees or rich people aren't nice. These are what we call limiting beliefs, and they're like roadblocks to your wealth. Kick those thoughts to the curb and replace them with power-ups, like I am a money magnet, or wealth flows to me effortlessly. Keep in mind that what you tell yourself matters. Start speaking wealth into existence. Say things like, I handle my riches wisely, or abundance is my second name. Words have power, so use them to fuel your journey to financial freedom. It's all about switching from a not enough vibe to an overflowing abundance kind of energy. Let's talk gratitude. Think of it as watering your garden. Every thank you you whisper or shout out loud is like a rain shower on your financial dreams, making them grow bigger and stronger. Each day, take a moment to think about what you're thankful for. Even the smallest things count. This simple act can flip your world from lacking to lucky. Now, on to affirmations. These are the seeds you plant in your mind. Each positive statement about wealth and success is a seed that can sprout into reality. Try saying things like, wealth flows to me in waves of abundance. The more you say it, the more you believe it, and the more you'll start to see it happen in real life. But here's the deal, you've got to ditch the scarcity mindset. If you're always thinking there's not enough, you'll find yourself stuck in a world of not enough. Instead, flip the script. When you catch yourself thinking, I can't afford that, switch it up to, how can I afford that? This opens up your mind to finding ways to make it happen. Taking risks is part of the adventure. Sometimes you've got to step into the unknown to discover new treasures. This doesn't mean being careless, but rather being open to opportunities that stretch your comfort zone. Don't forget about investing in yourself. The more you learn and grow, the more valuable you become, and the more opportunities you'll attract. Whether it's books, courses, or experiences, investing in your growth pays the best interest. Here's a ninja tip. Carry a $100 bill around. It's a constant reminder that you're never broke and that you're on your way to abundance. It's a powerful message to yourself that money is already part of your life. Undertaking the journey towards financial freedom involves more than just wishful thinking. It necessitates a deep and transformative conflict with the hidden money blocks that are unrevealed to us, pitching formidable barriers between ourselves and the wealth we aspire to. These blocks, often ingrained through years of societal and personal conditioning, whisper insidious beliefs like money is the root of all evil. or breed the notion that wealth must inevitably come at the cost of one's moral integrity, painting rich people as inherently greedy and selfish. The initial steps towards dismantling these barriers lies in the rigorous identification of such limiting beliefs, a process that demands reflection and honesty. Once these money blocks are brought to light, a multifaceted approach is used to destroy them, utilizing tools designed to reshape your subconscious landscape. Affirmations become your chance of empowerment, transforming your dialogue with money into one of positivity and invitation. They are the seeds of change, sown with every word of "money flows freely to me" or "I am worthy of financial abundance." Visualization, on the other hand, acts as a powerful manifestation technique, allowing you to construct a vivid, sensory-detailed world where wealth is not just an abstract concept, but a lived reality. By engaging yourself in these mental images, you align your energy with that of abundance, drawing it closer to your physical experience. EFT tapping offers an unconventional yet strikingly effective method for releasing negative emotions and beliefs about money through a combination of verbal affirmations and physical stimulation of energy points on the body. This practice not only aids in dispelling the deep-seated reservations about wealth, but also in encouraging a healthier, more positive relationship with money. Journaling complements these techniques by providing a space for reflection and analysis, enabling you to trace the origins of your limiting beliefs, confront them, and consciously craft a new narrative centered around prosperity and worthiness. Also, money isn't just about those crisp bills or the numbers in your bank account. It's more like a key that unlocks the door to what you want. Why do you want money? To go on an epic holiday? Catch those cool sneakers? Or maybe live in a cozy house where your future memories are waiting to happen? Instead of zeroing in on the cash, focus on the dream itself, the stuff you want to do or have. You'll be surprised how often you can get those things without spending much or any money at all. Take it from someone who's filled their home with awesome finds without breaking the bank. It gets even deeper. What if you skip the stuff and experiences altogether and go straight for the feeling you think they'll give you? That happiness, pride, or peace you're after might not even need the money step. Sometimes, when you feel all those good vibes, you realize you don't even want or need the fancy stuff. Turns out, science backs this up. Loading up on expensive gadgets or a mansion doesn't crank up your happiness meter. And if you're just trying to impress others with shiny things, you gotta ask yourself, why? Once you get that, you might find you're spending less because you're not chasing the never enough feeling anymore. You hit this sweet spot where you're genuinely satisfied with what you've got, not because it's a lot, but because it's enough for you. That's the real magic of attracting what you truly need, aligning with your core values and finding deep contentment. So let's start looking beyond the dollar signs and tune into what makes us truly rich.